Alright, I've come to my neighbor's house because he had a swarm. He was out cutting the grass and he had a swarm. So we're here to record that. Swarm of bees. So he was out cutting his grass around the beehive, well, in the backyard. And he said he looked over and saw them just swarm. And he says it's uncommon for this time of year. But they did it, so he's here to capture them, and he's going to make another hive from them.
When I get this ready,
Yeah.
you think you can keep it going?
Oh, I'll try.
Walk up here and hand me the smoker. Let me get a little bit of smoke before I put it in.
Well,
Can you come over here and hold my thing?
hold what?
I don't fall.
Your ladder?
Yeah.
Yep.
I got to step up to get them off here. Oh, come on.
You want your loppers again? Can you release it a little bit and then get your loppers in a better position?
I might be able to twist it off. If I have both hands on the lopper, I can't catch the.
Yeah.
Can you come in here and grab the end of it? Are you scared?
Where?
No, on the very end, down here, on the other end.
Oh.
Just grab it. No, just grab it and ease it. You got it?
Yep.
No bite. No bite.
How do you know if you got the queen?
I don't. You'll know in a few minutes because they'll stay in there. If she's in there, they'll stay in there. If she's not in there, they'll come out. In about 10-15 minutes, you'll know.
Now, I see a lot of people working with a chemical attractant
Yeah.
that they'll put in the box and put them all in there.
Lemongrass is what they like.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's not a chemical. That's natural.
Well, I know, but
that's another thing.
that's
that you
something
can use.
we got something called swarm catchers that you can
I think
put
that's
up
what
and
I was
hang up
talking
out here. And they naturally, you put lemongrass in there, and they'll cook. When they swarm, there's a good chance they'll go in it. They'll go in your swarm catcher. Now, but I didn't see her on there. Gosh, they act like she's there. You guys see how they're all wanting to come?
You can still see the bees are looking for some place to go. But I'll show you the box now and where we have it set up. He thinks we got the queen.
I just smoked them all off there. Let's see if they go in the box. I think she's in there. But I got one frame of honey in there, so they're good. Going in there with her. Girls, I mean. They're all girls.
Yeah, it looks like that's sending them in.
Good. Going in there. All right, I'm done all I can do.
Okay, let me know how it goes.
Okay. You'll probably be good.
Well, that was super interesting to capture that swarm. That's something that I know Antoine and I are going to be having to do. First of all, like I said, it's not so usual right now. I think it's more common during the spring that they're going to swarm. So something that I know we have to look forward to next spring is swarms, just their natural way of trying to grow the hive and reproduce. Queen lays a queen cell and she lets everybody know she's about to leave, she's about to swarm, and then she goes off and takes about half or a fourth or how many ever workers and drones that she takes with her, and that's how the hive is grown. So I know that that's something we'll have to do in the future. It kind of is nerve-wracking and exciting at the same time. Bees are definitely hard work, no joke, but getting their honey is really delicious and very, very rewarding. So there is that.